Welcome to West Virginia, the mountain state where nature's beauty is on full display. Join us as we explore the rugged terrain, rolling mountains, deep valleys, and dense forests of this stunning state. Let's go. We're starting our West Virginia adventure in the heart of the Appalachian Mountains, a chain that stretches over 1,500 miles from Maine to Alabama. Here in West Virginia, the Alleghenies dominate the landscape. Our goal is Spruce Knob, the highest peak in West Virginia, rising over 4,800 feet. It's a challenging climb, but the panoramic views from the summit are simply awe-inspiring. As we navigate the dense undergrowth and rocky outcrops, we need to be mindful of our footing. The Appalachians are home to black bears, timber rattlesnakes, and other creatures who share these mountains with us. From this vantage point, the vastness of the Monongahela National Forest stretches out before us, a sea of green as far as the eye can see. West Virginia is blessed with an abundance of natural beauty, much of it protected within its stunning state and national parks. These parks offer a sanctuary for wildlife and a playground for outdoor enthusiasts, making them a vital part of the state's identity and a treasure trove of natural wonders. First up is the New River Gorge National Park and Preserve, a testament to the power of water to carve through solid rock over millennia. This park is not just a geological marvel, but also a hub for adventure sports. The New River, one of the oldest rivers in the world, has cut a dramatic gorge through the Appalachian Plateau, creating a haven for whitewater enthusiasts, rock climbers, and outdoor adventurers. The river's ancient waters provide thrilling rapids for rafting, while the towering cliffs offer challenging routes for climbers. Next, we journey to Canaan Valley Resort State Park, a high-altitude valley known for its stunning scenery and diverse ecosystems. This park is a paradise for nature lovers, offering a unique blend of highland meadows, dense forests, and abundant wildlife. Here, we'll trade our rafts for hiking boots, exploring the park's extensive trail system, keeping our eyes peeled for black bears, deer, and the elusive bobcat. The trails wind through lush forests and open meadows, providing ample opportunities for wildlife sightings and breathtaking views. Our final destination is Blackwater Falls State Park, named for the amber-colored waters of the Blackwater River, which cascade over a series of waterfalls, creating a mesmerizing spectacle of sound and motion. The falls are a photographer's dream, with their dramatic drops and the ever-present mist that fills the air. West Virginia's parks are a testament to the enduring beauty of the natural world and a call to action to protect these treasures. They offer a glimpse into the state's rich natural heritage and provide a sanctuary for both wildlife and people seeking solace in nature. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie or a peace seeker, these parks have something for everyone. West Virginia is known as the Mountain State, but it could easily be called the Forest State. With its vast expanses of lush greenery and towering trees, over 80% of its land is covered in trees, making it one of the most forested states in the country. This creates a vast, interconnected ecosystem that supports an incredible diversity of life, from the smallest insects to the largest mammals. As we venture into these ancient woodlands, we are stepping into a living, breathing world that has existed for centuries. The air is thick with the scent of pine and damp earth, a sensory reminder of the forest's vitality. We're stepping into a world teeming with life, where every leaf, twig, and creature plays a role in the ecosystem. Towering oaks, maples, and hickories form a dense canopy overhead, filtering the sunlight and casting long shadows on the forest floor, creating a serene and mystical atmosphere. These forests are home to a fascinating array of creatures, each playing a vital role in the delicate balance of this ecosystem. From the elusive black bear to the graceful deer, the forest is alive with movement and sound. Squirrels dart through the branches while birds sing from the treetops, each contributing to the forest's symphony. The Monongahela National Forest, sprawling across nearly 1 million acres, is a prime example of West Virginia's wild beauty. Here, ancient hemlock forests line steep slopes while clear streams tumble over moss-covered rocks, creating picturesque scenes. These ancient hemlock trees have stood the test of time, witnessing the changing seasons and the passage of countless generations. The streams, clear and pure, are lifelines for the forest, nourishing the flora and fauna that depend on them. Protecting these forests is essential for the health of our planet and the well-being of future generations. By preserving these natural wonders, we ensure that the beauty and biodiversity of West Virginia's forests will continue to inspire and sustain us for years to come. West Virginia is a state defined by its waterways. From the mighty Ohio River to the rushing rapids of the Gauley, these rivers have shaped the landscape, the history, and the spirit of the mountain state. Our journey takes us first to the New River, a misnomer if there ever was one, for it's one of the oldest rivers on Earth. Flowing north through the heart of the Appalachian Mountains, the New River offers some of the best whitewater rafting in the eastern United States. Next, we'll brace ourselves for the Gorges River, known as the Beast of the East for its challenging rapids and breathtaking scenery. The Potomac River, flowing serenely along the state's eastern border, offers opportunities for peaceful kayaking, fishing and wildlife viewing. Whether you seek adventure or tranquility, West Virginia's rivers offer something for everyone. West Virginia's beauty isn't just skin deep, it extends far below the surface into a hidden world of caves and caverns carved over millennia by the patient work of water on limestone. Our exploration takes us deep beneath the earth into the darkness of Seneca Caverns, one of the largest caverns in the eastern United States. As we descend into the cool, damp air, our headlamps illuminate a world of stalactites, stalagmites and flowstones formed by the slow drip of mineral-rich water over eons. Next, we'll venture into the depths of Lost World Caverns, a labyrinth of passages and chambers adorned with an array of spectacular formations. But these caves are more than just geological wonders. They are home to a fascinating array of creatures that have adapted to life in perpetual darkness. While the mountains and rivers of West Virginia are impressive year-round, there's something truly magical about the arrival of spring, when the landscape explodes in a riot of color as wildflowers carpet the forest floor. The transformation is nothing short of spectacular as the once muted tones of winter give way to a vibrant tapestry of life. From the delicate blooms of trilliums and bloodroot, which peek shyly from beneath the forest canopy, to the vibrant hues of fire pinks and mountain laurel, each flower adds its own unique splash of color to the scene. West Virginia's wildflowers put on a breathtaking display that delights the senses and lifts the spirit. The sheer variety and abundance of these blooms create a living mosaic that is both awe-inspiring and humbling. One of the best places to witness this spectacle is Cranberry Glades Botanical Area, a hidden gem that offers a front-row seat to nature's grand performance. This high-altitude bog in the Monongahela National Forest is a unique ecosystem unlike any other in the region. Here, a unique combination of soil and climate creates the perfect conditions for a variety of rare and unusual plants to thrive. The diversity of plant life is astonishing, with species that are found nowhere else in the state. We'll tread carefully on the boardwalk, mindful of the delicate ecosystem beneath our feet, our senses overwhelmed by the sweet scent of wildflowers and the buzzing of bees hard at work. The air is filled with the hum of life, a testament to the resilience and beauty of nature. West Virginia's wildflower season is a reminder that even in the harshest of landscapes, where survival is a daily challenge, life finds a way to flourish. These wildflowers are not just beautiful, they are symbols of hope and perseverance, thriving against all odds. West Virginia's beauty is not confined to a single season. Spring bursts forth with a surge of life as trees unfurl their leaves, wildflowers carpet the forest floor, and the air fills with the songs of returning birds. Summer transforms the mountains into a lush, green paradise, perfect for hiking, camping, and exploring the many rivers and lakes. As the days shorten and the air turns crisp, autumn descends upon West Virginia, setting the mountains ablaze with color. Winter transforms the mountain state into a wonderland of snow-covered peaks and frozen waterfalls. No matter what time of year you visit, West Virginia's natural beauty is sure to captivate your senses and leave you with lasting memories. West Virginia's natural beauty offers endless opportunities for adventure and relaxation. From the rugged peaks of the Appalachian Mountains to the rushing waters of the New River, the mountain state is a place where you can connect with nature, challenge yourself, and create unforgettable memories. Thanks for joining us on this journey through West Virginia's stunning landscapes. Until next time, keep exploring.